Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Veeam Agent for Linux for VPS backup setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Veeam Agent for Linux for your VPS backup setup, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Veeam official website. In the search bar, type Veeam Agent for Linux and press enter. Locate the product page for Veeam Agent for Linux. On this page, find the download section. Select the appropriate version for your Linux distribution. Click on the download link. You may be prompted to fill out a registration form. Provide the required information and submit the form. Once you have completed the registration, the download should start automatically. If it does not, look for the direct download link on the confirmation page. Save the installation file to a directory of your choice. Open a terminal window on your Linux VPS. Navigate to the directory where the installation file was downloaded. To make the file executable, type chmod+x, filename, and replace file. Next, run the installer by typing /filename and press enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once installed, you can start configuring Veeam Agent for Linux. Make sure to specify the backup repository during the setup. After configuration, run your first backup to ensure everything is working correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.